So check it out. Here's my latest projects. I've been working on a couple of Marx 1666 shells. They had a bit of damage. They were missing rear steps. One of them was missing the slide on the side. I guess you call it the piston slide. And I also, to give a different look of the headlight over top of the boiler, I made a couple of resin front boiler plates, the same ones I used on my duplexes. And I also made the handrails. I bought some, I think it's either 16 or 18 gauge wire from Hobby Lobby, and I bought the eyelets and drilled the holes for them to make new handrails for it. And I'm also got a couple of sound and power tenders they're hooked up to. I haven't decided what I'm going to paint the tenders on these yet, or what I'm going to name them, but I also used my grandfather's birth year for the 1897 and my mom's birth year for the 1937. It's kind of an honor of them and a remembrance. So we'll take them for a spin. You can check them out. Here we go. We got 19-volt LEDs with E7 lenses inside those 9mm shells. So here we go. And we'll pick the camera up, kind of follow them around a little bit. See if you can get a nice overhead shot. And then we'll set the camera back down. Alright, got them both running good, they're smoking good. I still haven't decided what I'm going to either name them. I was thinking maybe the Red Comet and the Blue Comet, but actually if anybody has any suggestions. But anyway, thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.